All Encyclopedia of Life species pages provide information on a consistently structured template. Once you learn how to navigate one page, you will have mastered all pages. Unlike conventional encyclopedias, where an editorial team sits down and compiles entries, the Encyclopedia of Life is being developed to assemble content from many digital sources. This material is then authenticated by scientists so that users will have authoritative information. As we improve our technologies, the Encyclopedia of Life team will work with scientists across the globe, securing the involvement of individuals and institutions with established expertise on each species. 24 content-rich species pages are curated by expert taxonomists to give each of us a glimpse into the future Encyclopedia of Life and to challenge their colleagues to become curators of other species pages. A species page included in the first public launch is a species of damselfish new to science. Richard Pyle, John Earle, and Brian Greene published a description of the deep blue CHROMIS on January 1st this year, which marks the 250th anniversary of Carl Linnaeus' seminal Systema Naturae, the publication that marks the start of zoological nomenclature. You may browse through images of the deep blue CHROMIS, or CHROMIS abyssis, in the media panel. Notice how the attribution is quickly adjusted. Licensing and more information are provided here. Videos of the deep blue CHROMIS swimming in its native habitat are also provided in the media panel. The page for the death cap mushroom, a species of poisonous Amanita fungus widely distributed in Europe, is curated by Anne Pringle. Anne shares her vision of the Encyclopedia of Life by including content from multiple sources, including Wikipedia and specialist projects throughout the world. We employed name-matching techniques to supplement the death cap mushroom page with deep links to relevant content in the Biodiversity Heritage Library. These links are found in countless other Encyclopedia of Life pages. We also employ clever techniques for you to navigate directly to the scientific paper in exemplar species reference lists. The slider on all species pages adjusts content according to level of difficulty. The leftmost position emphasizes common names for species in the page title and in the classification browser. The rightmost position displays scientific names and may also present more specialized chapters in the table of contents or images in the media panel. By default, the middle position displays common names and all content available. In addition to typing an organism name in the search box, we have two other ways for you to browse pages in the encyclopedia. You may navigate up and down the classification of life and expand or contract subsets of organisms to refine your exploration. This same classification can be navigated using a graphical browser, where pages on subsets of organisms may be viewed by clicking the page icon. Under the classification panel, you may click through to the taxonomically related pages or a random assortment of pages that pique your interest. In less than 10 months since the Encyclopedia of Life was officially announced, we now have an astounding start to a world-renowned, multilingual, multifaceted resource. The next step will be an invitation for you to share your exploration of life on Earth, from the smallest of microorganisms to the largest of mammals.